Can I ask one other quick question about my daughter?
Yes.
So, m this daughter that's dating is the younger daughter of an older daughter. So she's not dating. And sensitivity wise, I was actually the older sister, and my younger sister got engaged before me, and my parents never said anything. So I have a difficult relationship with my older one right now, but yet I still want to show up with sensitivity when the time comes that she's engaged and show up in love. So I would want to tell her in advance something like, I know your younger sister is getting engaged soon, and I just want you to know you are loved. And I hope, and it might, I don't know, tell me how this is landing for you. It might be hard for you. Yeah, just realize this is nothing. This is her time, and it's her journey. So it doesn't reflect anything on you.
Yeah.
I don't know. That just came
You're,
to me.
yeah, I love that. I hear you really wanting to normalize it, offer her reassurance, open up lines of communication, express love and care. I'm hearing all of that in what you're offering. One tweak that I would make, just one practice that I would offer you is that she will feel it's the same with him, I think. Put more space in the conversation for them to tell you, and then you reflect it back to them. So it would start with your daughter, older daughter saying, "Hey, I want to check in with you with your sister's engagement. How is this going for you? What's it like for you? What's coming up for you?" I'm asking because for me, I remember it was like blah, blah, blah. And I was curious, is it like that for you as well or not? And then, depending upon what she says, you will have the data you need to know what to do next. Then you can offer the reassurance if needed. Then you can normalize if needed. Sometimes the first thing that people want is just to be seen and known and witnessed without being changed. So if she says, "Yeah, it's really blah, 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 blah," add in the step of saying, "Oh, so it's blah, 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 blah." Before you say, "Oh, that's okay, it will be better," before you try to reassure, before you try to reframe, before you try to make it better, so to speak, build in some moments of sitting with it together and feeling it together and naming it together and settling there together. Because the willingness to just be there together is the thing that normalizes it. The rush to try and fix it actually counterintuitively can make it worse. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I love that. I love that. And just as you speak, I wish I could just take you in my pocket. As you speak, there's this calmness in my body, and I'm like, I can do this because
Yes.
I have fear speaking to this older daughter. I do.
Yeah.
I don't know if you
Yeah.
remember, but and I'm having her over for this weekend, so God willing. So I have fear, and yet, but when you say it in that way, I just have to hold space for her. I
Yes.
don't have to fix anything.
Yes. Fixing is
Just to hear
approval.
her.
Yes.
Okay.
Fixing is disapproval. So, what we want to do instead of trying to fix people's feelings is we want to sit with them and have like full permission to just feel the feelings and be with the feelings. And then we watch the feelings and then we notice how they shift and change once we put our attention on them. And then we follow the feelings. That's all we do with them. But we're trained in our cultures to try and fix them. Like we get a tightening in our own body. Notice in your own nervous system when someone is having any kind of distress, how your body might tighten up. And the first move is for us to actually relax our nervous systems around everybody else's feelings. You take a deep breath, you get your own system re regulated. And when someone else is angry, you relax. When somebody else is crying, you relax. When somebody else is expressing distress, you relax and you lean in. If you remember that there's nothing for you to do about them and you didn't create them and you're not to blame for them and there's nothing you can do about them, the best thing you can do for someone's feelings is to greet them with kind eyes and a relaxed nervous system and they tell me more and this sounds hard and I'm here with you. And it sounds, and then we name them. It sounds like you're angry, you're frustrated, you're sad, you're despairing. Am I getting it right? Ah, I get it. Nothing more is needed in the early stages. You wait. Eventually, somebody might say, "What should I do? What do you think?" What, and then we can answer the question. But wait for the question. First, just start with the presencing and the feeling and the witnessing. Never underestimate the healing power of presence and witnessing and being with and relaxing in the face of strong feelings and slowing it down, way down. There's nothing we have to do about it. We don't need to make them go away. We just need to be with them. What do you think? How are you doing?
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Please, God, help me be with everyone's feelings.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have an awesome
Oh,
day.
Nina, good luck.
Bye
Yes.
bye.
Great. Bye.